Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Duray from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to teach you on how to promote Clickbank products with native ads. It's going to be real interesting, but before we get to our video, just the usual guys, please hit the subscribe button for this channel, this like button for this video if you like this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good contents for you all the time. So are you ready for today's video? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landrise.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video everybody, and in today's video we are going to teach you on how to promote Clickbank products using native ads, guys. So shall we begin? So the first thing that we need to do is you need to get access to Clickbank. It's pretty simple, guys. All you got to do is just go ahead and hit the sign up button in Clickbank. Just fill up some information and then there will be an email verifications, and all you got to do is just continue verify email, and then you can start logging into Clickbank. And this is one of the main reasons why Clickbank is very famous among beginners, because there is no screening process or anything which is really hard to get in. It's pretty easy to get in. So once you have actually got in, all you got to do is log in into your account and go to the marketplace section. If you have no idea where is the marketplace section, is on the top. You can see your username, knowledge based partner offers and marketplace. Go to marketplace section, and here you can start choosing your niche and your offer. If you can see on the left hand side over here, other than that, just ignore all of this. If you can see on the left hand side here, there's a lot of niches that you can actually choose, and when you click on that particular niches, there you can actually see the other stuffs that they have, the sub niches that they have, that you can actually go ahead and check out as well. So everything is pretty interesting with Clickbank. So how do you actually choose this offer? There's actually method 1, method 2, and method 3. So I've summarized this method. So pretty easy. The first method is for you to just go to Google and search for the best performing niche 2020, for example. So when you best let's say Clickbank performing niche 2020, so you can actually see which is the top selling products in Clickbank. What are the top selling niche in Clickbank? You can actually see, so these are the top selling products in Clickbank, these are the top selling niches in Clickbank, and then you can make your own. You can go ahead and search like this in like various different website, and then make your own conclusion on what you want to promote, and then you choose that particular niche. So that's the first method. So the second method is almost similar, but then you're not using any Google's reliance. What you're doing is you're trying to figure out what niche is suiting you the most according to your interest. Let's say that you're a person who likes health and fitness, so you can actually click on health and fitness, or you can click on any sub niche regarding health and fitness. Let's say you like men's health, for example, or nutrition, for example. Let's say nutrition, for example. So you can see all the available offers for nutrition. So there's actually 32 offers available for nutrition, so you can check out all the offers available for nutrition, or you can just go ahead and search for diet and weight loss and check out those offers in that particular sub niche and how they are actually performing, guys. So this is one of the ways to do it. And the final method to do it is that you do not rely on your interest, you do not rely on Google. All you rely on is Clickbank itself. So to do that, go to this section over here, find products, right? Go to this section over here, hit this button over here, and then there will be showing you all the products available with Clickbank. Currently, like there is 3,715 products available with Clickbank, and now we're going to use Clickbank's database to choose which offer is the best. But how do you choose these offers, guys? So regardless whether you're using method 1, method 2, or method 3, the way to choose it is simple, guys. Just go to sort by, and then you sort it by gravity. What gravity simply means that how many people have actually bought this product in the last 30 days. So you will literally know which product is a high selling product. For example, let's say this product has 309 people have actually bought this product in the last 30 days, guys. So I do not choose any product which has gravity less than 30. So these are the screening steps. So there's three screening steps that I will actually check, four actually. So the four screening step is, the first one is gravity. Make sure the gravity is not less than 30. That's the first one. The second one, I will check out the average sales. You will know more about the average sales if you check out the affiliate page as well. So basically I think this one is good enough. So you need to check the average sales. When you check out the average sales, what you will think of is, okay, let's see this one for example. $43.79. You need to determine, it's totally subjective to you. You need to determine whether this particular offer has the proper sales for you or not, because you're the one who's going to run the offer, right? Let's say that you're running an offer for, you're running the ads for like $10. You would have an estimation, okay, I'm running $10, I want to earn $40, or I want to earn $50. So according to that, does this particular offer suits you? You need to check out all that. That's pretty important. So once you have done checking that, then you can go to the next one, which is filtering the particular affiliate offer itself. So you're going to go to the offer page and the affiliate page and check it out. So the offer page would be screening 3, affiliate page will be screening 4. So offer page, what you're going to do is you're going to check out how good is the offer page. So this is a very commonly used Clickbank type of offer page. You can actually see there's only a video there. If you see this kind of offer page, don't get stressed, don't think that, hey, what happened, man, why is the offer page looks only with the video? Don't worry about that. This is a very common Clickbank offer. But then if you want to have a better offer page, I would highly suggest you to have something which has call to action button, like for example, click now, purchase now, buy now, or something like that over here. It will make the offer page look much more interesting. But then this offer page is good enough. This is a very commonly used offer page for affiliate Clickbank affiliate pages. So once you have checked that, the next one, that you final screening that you need to do is go to the affiliate page, and here you are going to see the resources. You are going to see what type of resources that they have for you. Let's see, for example, okay, they have email creatives that you can actually use. Then you can check out whether they have any display banners. So they do have like a nice display banners that you can actually choose. Mostly it's regarding Trump and the Pope. So what else they have, so that's the stuff that they have. But I think this is good enough for our ads already. I feel that yep, this is good enough for our ads already. Yep, so we can actually do this. So let's choose this offer, guys. I feel like this offer is good enough, because they, what we want is, we want email swipes, and we want good pictures. Even pictures we can actually find through the Google, but email swipes is the one that we need the most. And they do have nice email swipes here. Okay, all right, let's start doing this, guys. Let's start doing this. So that's the first step, guys. First step is done. So final step or first step is just go ahead and hit the promote button in the offer, and then the pop-up comes out, and then all you gotta do is hit generate op links, and then your affiliate links will be there. And this is the link that you're gonna use to paste it in your lander, paste it in your tracker and everything. So make sure you keep this particular affiliate link properly. Okay, that's the end of the first step, guys, choosing an offer. So there's 4 steps included. Let me just, I told you the 4 step. First we're gonna choose an offer from Clickbank, which we just did, and then we're gonna go Landrise, build our landing page. Step 2. Step 3, we're gonna use volume tracker to build our tracking system. And step 4, we are going to go to ad plate and create our ad network. So it's that easy, guys. So let's do one by one, guys. So like I told you just now, step one has been done because we have chosen our offer already. So step two would be creating our landing page. But before we go here to our landing page, let me just tell you that there is actually a 45 days free native ads course. If you want to know more about native course, whatever I'm doing here, you want to know much more in depth, Dice University is offering a 45 days free native ads course for Dice University forum members. So if you want to grab that course, you can actually go ahead and join Dice University forum by clicking the link in the description of this video and grab your free 45 days native ads course anytime, guys. So coming back to step two, we are going to start building our landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Landrise. Landrise is a brand new landing page builder created by Colin Dice himself, for catered specifically for affiliate marketers, guys. So as you can see over here, there's like drag and drop templates. There's like a lot of stuff that you can do with Landrise over here that I'm going to show you later on. But the most highlighted part about Landrise is that you can straight away upload your landing page to Amazon S3. And what it actually makes is it makes your click through rate to go high. Not only your click rate, guys, but your click through rate to go high as well. If you understand the whole ad campaign flow, the most important key metrics is your click rate, click through rate, and conversion rate. So your click rate depends on your ad. So if you build a good ads, your click rate will increase, and then people will be led to your landing page. And then what happens is, in your landing page, if your landing page is good, you will get a high click-through rate where they will go through your landing page and get a high conversion rate in the offer page. But what if your ads are good and you're paying money, but then your landing page does not even load properly? This is the issues that a lot of affiliate marketers face when they're using ClickFunnels, Lead Page, Instapage, Elementor, whatsoever, guys. So these are the issues that they face, and to overcome this issue, what happened was Colin himself, he's a super affiliate, right? So he knows this issue. That's why he created Landrise, specially catered for this particular reason. And also, we're going to talk about Landrise more when we go ahead and do the Landrise thing. So and also there's actually a 14 days free trial for Landrise available right now. There's a link, I've attached the link in the description of this video as well. You can also grab that 14 days free trial as well. So let's begin, guys. So once you have done all that, you need to log in into Landrise, and this is how Landrise will look like once you have logged in into Landrise. So the first thing that you should definitely do is you should go ahead and go to this section, getting started. This is actually like a tutorial videos. I find it to be very, very informative, so you can actually use this. Step one, how to use Landrise, the basic, and these are the most important two steps, guys. Step one, two, and step three, how to set your Amazon S3 step by step, guys. Everything is showed to you here, and how to connect your Amazon S3 with your Landrise. This is a very crucial step in Landrise. Like I told, this is like the highlighted point of Landrise, where you connected your landing page builder, your Landrise, to your Amazon S3, where you can straight away upload your landing page to your Amazon S3. So these two steps, make sure you see very, very truly. And then step four is like how you can actually connect to the Landrise support team, how you can schedule an onboarding call, and all this kind of stuff. But if you're a person who do not likes videos, then you can actually go ahead to the support section over here. Can you see this one? And then you can hit the support section, and everything that you see in the video is in a written form here as well. How to create your landing page from template, how to edit image and color text, how to actually set up your AWS, the same thing. These are the two crucial things. Everything, guys, how to generate SSL certificate, how to configure bucket, all the steps, guys. So these are the things that you need to connect your domain, and then connect your domain to the Landrise by connecting AWS itself. So once you have done all this, then you're good to go. It might take a little bit time to do this, like 30 minutes or something, but once you have done all that, everything is good to go, guys. So we can start going and building our landing page builder right now. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to new landing pages, and then what you have there is you can actually choose various templates. There is actually 16 templates available. They are brand new, I told you, but they are adding at least 4 brand new templates every single week, and each of these templates has different reasons. Like branded quiz is for sweepstakes, Nutra is for Nutra, sorry, then there's for gaming, there's for FB, there's for adult, there's for casino, there's for CBD, there's for different type of landing page catering for whatsoever. Currently, personally, I like this one most. This two is my favorite, but depending on what I want to do, guys. So uh totally depends on you. I don't like the ones that has a lot of words. It's used for a different reason, but regardless of what you like, guys, all this landing page is actually tested by Colin Dice and his team himself. That's why these are called high converting templates, because they have actually spent a lot of money testing this. I know personally because I'm in their team. So they've actually spent a lot of money testing all this. So let's choose a landing page build template. So we are going to do something spiritual, right? So I think this one would be good. What else would be good? Okay. I think this one would be the best, guys, for spiritual. Okay, let's start building it. A life after Life After the Fall. That's our offer name, right? A Life After the Fall. That's a long name, guys. So once you hit save, you can start building your landing page. So you can do a lot of stuff here, guys. You can actually change your color of your landing background of your landing page, for example. All these colors you can change, and then let's say that you want to copy this one, right? So you can actually hit the brown button here. You can just rename the title, and then it will be copied. Then you want to move them around, you can actually move them around, for example. And then if you want to edit this whole word, you can just hit the pencil and just edit the whole word. And then if you want to delete it totally, they can just click this one, the dustbin, and delete the whole thing totally. So you can do a lot of stuff. So let's start building our landing page, shall we? We're gonna do something which has like this color, which is brown, right, or black. So our background is going to be black, which is ugly. Let's go for brown. I like brown. Brown is one of my favorite colors, guys. So I like brown. So let me just choose. Oops, my bad. I think this is good. So we're gonna change few words here. Advertisement, we're gonna leave it there, but we're gonna make it smaller. You can do that, guys. You can actually go here, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can bold it, italic it, you can do a lot of stuff. You can bold it, you can italic it, like this. For example, you can underline it, and then you can change the positions. You can put it in new numbering or bullet points. Totally depends. You can change the color if you want to. You can change the color if you want to. Yeah, you can do like this. You can change the background if you want to as well. So the background is like, I want this and I want a background. So it totally depends, and you can even embed your affiliate links by clicking the chain over here. Just hit the chain over here and paste your affiliate link. For example, we can actually paste it here. So you can do a lot of stuff here, guys. So it's pretty interesting. So let's just make it small. I like it to be small. And then let's start building other stuffs, guys. So first thing that we're gonna build is this image over here. We're gonna change the image, so we're gonna go to the affiliate page and check out if there's any nice image that we can use for as a banner. So we don't have an image that we can actually use as a banner. Okay, never mind, it's okay. A live we go Google and search for it, alive after the fall. So alive after the fall images. So you can actually get this one, live after the fall. Save this. Let's see how this one works out, guys. Let's see how this one works out. So we're gonna go to this image, and every image that you are using in the Landrise, they will have their size. So if you can't get the proper size, don't worry. All you got to do is go to canva.com. Canva is a designing software built specifically for people without designing background. So just go to create design, create custom design, and just hit whatever that they have. 370 times 75, for example, 370 times 75, for example, and then you can just upload your image and resize it here according to whatever you want. So it's pretty simple to do that, guys. So let's see how that image looks first. If it's not nice, then we can actually resize it. Let's see how it looks like. I think it's too big, and I think it's a little bit pixelated. Can we find something else as well? But overall the image is actually quite good. But let's just go Canva and make it better. So we go upload, we upload the image here. Once we uploaded the image will be uploading, and then what we can actually do is we can drag that image and we can resize it according to what we want, guys. So can do like something like this. Let me just show you what we can actually do. So you can do this. This is the size that we want, right? We don't want it to be too big, so this is the one that we want. What we can do is we can change the background into black, so it will look exactly like how it is. So download it in JPEG again and then paste it back. Simple as that. So let's do this now. Let's do this now. So now it looks pretty neat, right? So I think I need to change the whole background color of this, but I will do this later, no worries. So we can actually paste our affiliate link wherever there's actually space to paste link. You can actually paste your link to make it much more high converting offer page, so that whatever that you click, it will go back to the offer page. And this is Eric white field, so you can actually delete this one. I don't want this, I just want this one, which is nice. Okay, so we're gonna keep some titles here. So we're gonna start editing this ones. So let's go and start editing. So okay, we're gonna edit this one. So we're gonna go back to the affiliate page. We're gonna see the email swipe, which we think is very nice. So I think this one is good. The real reason Trump Church is terrified with Trump. The real reason Church is terrified with Trump. Nice, nice. That's funny. Okay, so you can do that, and then you can change the image. Do the same thing. So we're gonna take this image as well, or you can even take this image. Let's see this image over here. See, let's see whether we can actually save this image, and I'm going to resize this image because I know this is not square image. So 700 times 500, 780 times 500, right? So do the same thing, 780 times 500, because I want the picture to be really nice. So we're going to go here, we're going to upload it. Again, we're going to upload the new one that we have just did. Oops, not this one. Sorry, my bad. This one. And then we're going to upload here. This looks pretty nice, guys. So upload it here. Yep, it looks pretty neat. So I'm gonna save it and save back because it looks like a video, and our offer page is actually a video, so it makes sense a lot. So you go back to your landing page, you change it. Pretty neat, right? Pretty neat. So you can paste the affiliate link here as well. just like always, wherever you can paste your affiliate link, you can do that. So go there, paste it, and then this one we're going to change it according to the affiliate link as well. So you can even do different creative, doesn't matter. So okay, let's see this. Okay, let's copy this. Let's see this, copy this, and then what we're going to do is Trump has been warned. We're going to change this because we are going to embed the link. So Trump has been warned, but he didn't listen. Discover the terrible truth. Discover the terrible truth behind what? And what again? Behind this historical meeting by clicking here. Terrible truth behind the historical meeting by watching this video. So we have actually embedded the affiliate offer link here. So when I have a click on the video, so they can actually click on the video. So it does not matters. Let me just bold this, watching this video, and then we can actually embed the whole link here, the affiliate offer link as well. So when they click on the video, which is the image, they will be led to our offer page, which is great enough. So this is good enough. Discover the terrible truth of the historical meeting by watching this video. Okay, and then here we're going to change the color of the button. So we're going to make it black. Nice, watch now. So okay, that's good. And the final step, we're almost done. Just want to change the background color. I don't like the background color like this. Perhaps it should be a little bit black color. Is it actually disturbing anything? Maybe we can change others into white later on, but then we can change this into black. Because our landing page is white, so it's pretty neat, right? So it's pretty neat. And maybe this one we can actually change this into a white color stuff advertisement. Now it looks pretty neat. Okay, looks nice, right? So the last one is this one that we're going to change. A lot of people ask me question regarding this one, the privacy policy, the disclaimer, and all this kind of stuff. Is it compulsory to have? No, it's not compulsory to have, but is it good to have? Yes, it's good to have. This is actually for you to actually protect yourself from any legal issues and anything. So it's very easy, guys. Just go ahead to a website, create a page, privacy policy, about us, disclaimer, and paste the link here. That's it. That's how easy it is. Now we are using AdBlade, so it's not that strict. Even though AdBlade is pretty strict, but it's not that strict compared to Facebook or Google. When you're using Facebook especially, this is something that you really need. So make sure you have this already for yourself. You can use the same disclaimer and policy for all the ads, so don't worry, you have to do it only once. So we don't have it, so we're gonna cancel it. But this one is also for your safety, just precaution purposes. So this one is something that we want, so we're gonna do wait. I think this is pretty good. This is pretty nice. Okay, safe. The final thing is that you go to the gear icon here, and then you make sure your page title is the correct one. So, and then you're gonna put your offer page, offer affiliate link here, destination URL, so that when the people click on watch now, they will be led there as well. So now we have completed our landing page, which looks pretty neat. pretty terrifying, right? So if you click on here, you'll be going to our offer page. Click here, you're going to offer page. Click here, going to offer page. Click here, going to our offer page. Click here, going to our offer page. The reason I did so many embedded links is because I want people to go to the offer page. That's the main key. We want to increase our click rate so that we can actually increase our conversion rate as well. So once you have done that, the final step is for you to go back to my landing page and then go over here, find your landing page and hit publish. And like I told you just now, you have to connect your domain, right? So once you connect your domain would be here. Maybe you will only have one domain, so don't worry about that. If you don't have option, just choose your domain and hit publish. And then when you hit publish, you don't be panic if you see this is not published here. You can actually double check it. I'm going to show you guys, so you can actually see your campaign has been successfully exported to Amazon S3. So like I told you, we want to double check it, so we can actually go to our Amazon S3 and press S3, and then you can actually see your bucket, your available bucket that you just uploaded, and then you can go to your bucket, for example, and check out where is your folder. So you can actually see our folder is here, so you can just go ahead and click on our folder and check out what time was it uploaded and all this. So everything looks pretty neat here, right? So which means that your landing page has already been uploaded to Amazon S3 and you have completed step 2. So let's move to step 3. But before we move to step 3, let me just remind you one simple thing, very easy thing, guys. So with step 2, we are using Landrise, right? So there's actually a 14 days free trial with Landrise that you can actually claim by clicking the link in the description below. I've actually put a link there, Landrise 14 days free trial. Click on that link and claim your Landrise free trial, as well as there is a free 45 days native ads course given exclusive for the Dice University Forum members. So make sure you check out that as well. To join the course, it's pretty easy. All you got to do is just join Dice University Forum as a member. You can do that also by clicking the link in the description below, where you can join Dice University Forum as a member and grab that 45 days native ads course as well. So now done with step 2. Step 3 is creating our tracker. So you can actually use whatever tracking software that you want, but we are using Volume for these purposes. I'm not going to talk about Volume or how great is Volume and all this kind of stuff. You can Google about that, but Volume is one of the best tracking software there is that we have actually personally used. You can use different kind of let's say Binom or Rate Track or whatsoever tracking software there is. I'm not saying you can't, but the thing is, if you use them, whatever that we are doing in this particular video series, whatever that we are going to show you in our native ads course, mostly it's going to be covering on volume, guys. So we're going to do it on the basis of volume. So if you want to like go with the journey with us, the best is volume, but you can actually use whatever tracking software that you want. So without wasting time, let's start building the campaign on volume. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go and create an affiliate network and traffic source. These are the two things that you need to create first, but these are the things that you don't need to create every time you're going to create a campaign. You just gonna create it once, and I think we have already created it already. So Clickbank is there, so all you got to do is just go and new affiliate network. It's very easy to create. Just click Clickbank, click next, and click save. That's it. That's how easy it is to create an affiliate network. Same goes to traffic source. We have already created a traffic source for AdBlade. Yes, we have created, but same thing. Go to traffic source, choose any of these traffic source available, press next, and hit save. That's it. That's how easy it is to create a traffic source and affiliate network. So once you have done that, now you gotta follow your flow. So your flow was choose an offer from Clickbank, build a landing page using Landrise, and then build a campaign using AdBlade, right? So this is the flow, and this flow is what we're going to implement with Volume, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the flow. So the first thing that we're going to do is create an offer. So let's go offer and then press new offer. Just name the offer, Clickbank, choose the affiliate network. Where are you targeting this offer? Is there any demographics over here? No, there's no demographic. It's not that detailed. because it's not that high converting offer, but it's nice. It's really nice. So we're gonna use global, and then we're gonna go alive. That's our name, alive Praveen. And then the next one, tags, you can leave them alone. Offer URL is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. And pay attention, close attention, guys. It's not done once you place your affiliate link. You got to place and you got to copy this one. This is very important. If you don't do this, nothing will be tracked in your affiliate page. You can see these are the tokens, right? None of these tokens are active if you never copy this. But if you paste this, you can see the token is already activated, which means that whatever happening in this page would be tracked by volume. So you don't need to set the payout. Everything would be tracked. But if you want to set the payout, you can still go and set a manual payout. There's no problem in that. So hit save, and then that's it with the offer. First step done. Second is lander. Same thing with lander, go new lander, press lander, not pre-landers, guys. So workspace, country tag, change it, and then name it, name your offer. It's going to be a live Praveen. So it's going to be a live Praveen, and then tags nothing. Lander, you just follow whatever that we are typing right now. So it's going to be https dot slash slash. This is very important, https, not http, because when you're creating your domain and everything, they will actually teach you how to generate a free SSL certificate, especially if you're following whatever Landrise step. They will actually teach you to generate free SSL certificate, and once you generate free SSL certificate, your network would be secured, your landing page, and that security is what HTTPS means. So once you have done that, you're going to go to S3 bucket and choose your bucket, and make sure you copy this one. This is your bucket, right? Copy this one, paste it here, make sure there's no stroke anywhere. .com slash, go into your particular folder alive after the fall. So this one you can either paste or with the stroke or not, totally depending on you. Slash index .html. This applies to everything. Index.html applies to everything. Why? I'm going to show you. When you go to your folder, you can actually see this one, right? Index.html. This is where your landing page is currently at. It's in an index.html format. So this is where it is. So this is where we want to remind volume where our lander is. So make sure you put that and then hit save. That's it. The final step is for you to go ahead and create a campaign. We are almost there, guys. Stay tuned with me, stay with me. So go campaign, press new campaign, press advanced. Okay, let's do this, guys. So select a workspace. It's going to be private. Select a traffic source. It's going to be ad blade. Country, it's going to be global, and then it's going to be live dash Praveen. So we're going to copy this. The cost model totally depends. Certain affiliate network or traffic source, they have it automatically calculated. Some you need to put manually, or usually if you never put anything also, it does not matter, guys. You can do that as well. So once you press next, over here, don't get confusing, a lot of stuff. There's only few things that you need to change. Just aim for there's like 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 stuffs, right? So all you got to change is whatever that has redirect in its name to double meta refresh. Yes, let me just say it again, redirect in its name to double meta refresh. So this is default redirect.com, change it into double meta refresh. Track no redirect, no redirect, no redirect, no redirect, no redirect, no got redirect mode. So double meta refresh. That's it. Just change these two, guys. It's opposite each other. So once you change that, you just name the path name and then choose your lander, choose your offer, and then hit save. That's it, guys. You have successfully created a volume tracking campaign. Easy as that. Now all you gotta do is just make sure you have this click URL in your hand, and then we're gonna paste it in our ad blade when we are building our campaign. So step 3 completed. So before we go to step 4, let me just remind you again, we have been using Landrise to build our landing page. So there's actually a free 14 days trial for Landrise available right now. You can actually click on the link below to claim that 14 days trial. And then there's also a free 45 days native ads course given to you specially for Dice University Forum members. If you want to claim that free native ads course, it's a free full-fledged 45 days native ads course. All you gotta do is just join Dice University Forum. You can actually join Dice University Forum by clicking the link in the description below stating Dice University Forum. You can join as member and grab that particular native ads course as well. So and finally, if you want to use volume, I have also attached the link to volume in the description of this video. Totally depending on you guys, this is totally subjective. And that's it. Let's go to final step. Our final step is we're going to use AdBlade to create our campaign. Keep in mind that if you're a beginner affiliate marketer, AdBlade might not be the best place for you because it's a little bit expensive and they're a little bit strict compared to other native ads network, but they're actually very good in their own stuff. So you have to log in into AdBlade. So this is how the dashboard of AdBlade looks like once you have actually logged in into AdBlade. So you must go ahead and press create new ad. So session has ended, it's no problem. So create new ad, and then make sure in AdBlade that you read the advertising policy. Can you see this? Oh, I don't think you can see this. Let me just open this in a new tab. Open this in a new tab. My God, I can't even open this in a new tab. What the hell? So let me just open this in a new tab. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. And AdBlade is actually a very good native ads network, guys. But due to their goodness reputation, they are not so cheap there. So you need to go ahead and read whatever ads is which is approved and what will not be approved in native ads. So you can see this kind of pictures is not there. So this kind of landing page should not be there as well. So the landing page must have advertisement of advertorial must clearly stated. So this is the stuff that we have actually did with our landing page. It's already there already. That's why I said that the landing page templates are already being utilized, already been optimized by the Dice University Forum members. And then you can check out what kind of thing is available, what you cannot put and what you can put. So adult offer is not available. Don't put all the thing in tabs and all this kind of stuff, guys. So you can also see how to create a very nice ad copy with how to create a very nice ad copy and all this. So these are the stuff that you need to go through. Just click on these two buttons and you can actually see them. I was clicking and they came coming in another pop-up, so I wanted you to see them as well. That's why I copy paste them. Okay, let's start building our ad. So the first thing is ad type. It's going to be news bullet. Ad platform, it's going to be AdBlade network. Campaign name is going to be alive after the fall. Short description, it's going to be life after the fall. So all you're gonna do something which we're gonna take from here. So it's going to be church leaders prayed. You never seen this. So you're gonna copy this. I don't know whether we can see that or not. No, we can't. So I think alive. Oh, let's check out a much more shorter one. I don't think all this is enough words. No, a life after the fall is good enough, guys. So long description, maybe we can actually do that one. The shocking proof of God's plan is coming to truth. So destination URL is where we are going to put our click URL from volume. So we're going to copy this URL. We're going to paste this URL here. So this is our destination URL. So our advertising domain, just put a website name, which is a genuine website name that you use when you're registering with AdBase itself. So this is the website that we're going to use. Display name is going to be www.lifeafterthefall.com. So it will look something like this. Image agreement, you have to click this box, guys, then only you can actually upload the image. They're actually very strict in that. So we're gonna select image from the PC, but before that, let's go ahead and download an image. So this one, this image is what we want. So we're gonna save this image. Creative 5. So I don't think that we can actually put the image straight away over here, so it's better that we go to Canva and we put the dimension properly first. So let's go Canva, 298 times 224. So let's go Canva and create a design. 298 times 224, create design, and then upload our image. Sorry guys, upload our image and then paste the image here, paste the image here. So this is a little bit, make it like almost oh, okay, that's good enough. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put okay, we're gonna put a black background just to make sure the image blends with it, or maybe a much more darker blend. Yep, that's how the image blends it. So it's a JPEG, right? So it's a JPEG. So we're gonna save it in Canva. So we're gonna download, save this in Canva. Then let's see how it looks over in the adlib. So you're gonna select the thing from the image that we just did from our PC. Image uploaded, looks pretty neat. Live after the fall. I think I like this one a lot. So doing that, the small image and large image is optional image. You can put it there if you want to, but if you don't want to put it there, it's okay, don't put it there. So your CPA goal, what is your CPA goal? If you don't know how to find a CPA goal, you can actually go ahead and see in your offer page itself what is actually your CPA goal. So let's say we're gonna put our CPA goal as $40. You can actually put that, but here I'm not going to click on this box, because this usually, if you do not have an external tracker and then you want it to be you want to place some pixels in your website and all that, that's where this one comes. So we are not going to use that. So you can actually schedule your ad as well. You can choose when it start, when it stops, how many target it needs to be stopped, and all this kind of stuff. You can even choose what day it should run, at what time. Make sure it's you make sure you see that it's Eastern Standard Time, guys. Make sure you keep that in mind. And then you can select international targeting. One thing about AdBlade is, if you select United States, you can't select other countries, but if you select other countries, you can't select United States. That's the only big thing about AdBlade. I think this is because they want to cater specifically for United States. Okay, it makes sense. So once you've done that, you can actually go ahead over here, nothing to do here. Display ads to users in the following location, none. Targeting options, if you have already have targeting users, different users, you can actually use retargeting, and you can even use DPM targeting. But if you don't have any users from any pixels that you have get, then you are stuck with only one targeting options. And finally, we're going to choose our bidding options. So is it CPC or is it CPM? And as you can see, the CPC is quite expensive, right? 0.35. That's why that's why I said sometimes ad rate is not compatible for beginner affiliate marketers. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that when it comes to this CPC, right, when you put a higher CPC, let's say you put $40, 40 cents, for example, this is actually very good initially when you're testing your native ads. So what happens is that you put more money a little bit, and then you collect as much as information as possible, so you let it run for 3 days, and then you optimize that using the data that you're tracking with volume. So you optimize the whole campaign. That's how it should be, guys. So this is one of the best ways to do it. And then ready to go live, no, the ad is not ready, or the ad is ready, and then all you gotta do is just hit create my ad, and you are done, guys. Your ad would be there. All you gotta do is just waiting for approval. But I'm not top up anything, so the ad will not go. But make sure if you're running it, you top up some money. So basically that's how you go ahead and promote a Clickbank product via native ads, guys. Just follow each step by step and you will be all right, guys. So before I leave, I just want to remind you of four major things. First thing is that you've seen us using Landrise. So there is actually a 14 days trial for Landrise that you can actually grab by clicking the link in the description below stating Landrise 14 days trial. So make sure you grab that. And also, if you want to use volume, I've also attached the link to volume in the description of this video as well, so you grab that as well. And there is also a 45 days free native ads course. Whatever that I talked in this video, we will be going much more specific, much more detailed in that 45 days native ads course. So make sure you grab that 45 days native ads course. It's free, but it's only exclusive for Dice University Forum members. So if you want to grab that, all you got to do is just join Dice University Forum today. I've also attached the link to join Dice University Forum in the description of this video. It's not something that you will regret, guys. Trust me, Dice University Forum is a place where affiliate comes from all over the world, and then they try to build a community and help each other and all this kind of stuff. It's really worth it, and it's really fast growing. And the final thing is that before I leave this channel, this video, I just want you to hit the subscribe button for this channel to support us more, and the like button for this video if you like this video, definitely, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos as well. So please help us by doing this so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye and tata.